Over the many weeks of lockdown, I brought you regular updates on the progress of my Jaguar XK150 restoration. Well, I say my restoration. Some of the actual work was done by Neil and Anthony Greenhouse, father and son, based here in Herefordshire. I say some of. Quite a lot of. Most of. All of the actual work was done by Neil and Anthony, but the interior was retrimmed by Jonathan Skinner in Cheltenham and then fitted by Neil and Anthony. Thing is, with lockdown unlocked, I could finally visit the car in person and the news was good. And then it got bad. The bodywork is now, well, it's spectacular. The shut lines, the panel gaps, they are pin sharp, far better than when it was new. I don't think you'll find a more shapely and perfect XK150 than this one, and I love the colour, mist grey, its original paint, the same colour it wore when it came to the start line of the Tulip Rally in 1959. And the interior too is in its original colour. It's beautiful, few modern touches, kick-ass stereo, mounting point from a telephone. It is all good. And then it becomes less good. I mean, I can't drive that.
We've done a lot of work to the XK150, bodywork during lockdown, stripped it down, all the interior taken out, retrimmed. Jonathan Skinner's done a wonderful job. We've put seat belts in it, drivable, MOT'd, on the road, and Richard decided he wanted to take it to France on holiday. Problem is, as you know, he gets excited, wants it all now, wants to drive it, and I did say, you're putting the cart before the horse, but no, customer's always right, never listen, but there we go.
You know what he's like, he gets excited,
but
can't wait, wants it now.
The car was driving pretty good. We have done no work at all to the mechanical on that car, it's just all been bodywork, interior, everything's really nice to look at. Driving nice, few little whines, not just from Richard but from the diff. He drove it, decided he didn't want to take the risk of it, you know. Oh, the diff's whining, oh, it's a little rattle. It's a 70-year-old car, but there you are. When you make a cake, you don't do the icing first, do you? You get the ingredients and start from scratch and make it nice. No. But anyway, we've got to the stage now where it's all going to come back to pieces again.
Now, as you can see behind us, the car is now up in the air, it's totally stripped back down.
Then we've got to take the engine out, but on this car it could be quite tricky because it's a very narrow engine bay, and thinking about it, it'd be a lot easier to take the body off the chassis. This is what we should have done the first time round, do the chassis first, get it painted, get it rebuilt, engine, gearbox upgrade, all the bushes done, everything, and then it should be a really nice car.
A few weeks' time we should have it all back ready to go again.
Hopefully, he'd be a happy man.
Yeah, I might have gotten a bit giddy at the start of the project and made everybody do things in the wrong order. But the good news is I can be here now to lend a hand, so the work will go that much more quickly. Chaps.
Cup of tea. Hey, where'd you get that from? That's my whiteboard.
What are they? They're not chocolate biscuits. You know I don't like custard creams.
Oh, he's going to make a cup of tea, put the milk in first. You've got a lot
one job,
to
you
look
can't
at.
do that. Come on.
Can't get the staff nowadays, can you?
No, my job's safe anyway.
Yeah, for now. Come on, get on to work.
Yep, back to work, please.
I'll go in.
What do you think? Think he'll make it?
No.
Oh, I don't know. Give the bloke a try. He'll be all right.
Maybe next time.
He'll be all right.